Hi everyone, I'm Shantae and I'm back with another scrumptious video. Today I'm going to be making pancakes. Now let's get started. I just poured it in there. Poured it in a pan with some butter. You see the butter on the side. We're going to wait till it bubbles. I don't think I waited till it bubbled, but this is Cruzy's. I'm using Cruzy's batter. And it is good. It's the best pancakes I've tasted. I'm just going to wait. Or not. As y'all see, I messed up. It went everywhere, but I cut that out. We're going to let this side cook until it's golden brown. Let's check it. Okay, it's looking good. It's looking good. That's it. Perfect pancake. Nice and fluffy. Came out gorgeous. Nice and fluffy and tasty. Guys, sometimes I use Cruzy's in the place of flour too. There you have it. Pancakes with butter on top and soon have the syrup. There you have it, guys. My pancakes. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my videos, please share and subscribe and comment and let me know what else you want to see. Thank you.